3 weeks in a row that we have literally slaughtered the markets again. Literally absolutely no losses in the last 3 weeks. Every chart has hit. So these last few weeks have been beautiful. Before the 3 weeks, we had 2 weeks where we lost, I think, 1 trade each week, 1 to 2 trades each week. And then before that, we went on an 8-week streak of absolutely no losses. So we are literally back on the streak. So everything's been going insane. I hope y'all were able to make some profit this week on the Euro USD, and we missed the USDCHF, but it did turn out nice as well. We're going to go ahead and go over how the week turned out for us. So starting with the DXY, this week we were looking at price action from Sunday to make a small correction and then a continuation up. We literally Sunday made that correction and then continued up. We were looking at price action to reverse in our reaction area in our premium, and we literally got the reversal out of the premium, and this is where we were able to capitalize on all of our trades. So this movement here paid us throughout the week, which I am about to show you guys next. Now overall, we wanted to see the DXY go towards the upside. So I am still 100% bullish on the DXY. And I honestly think it's going to go up from here, actually. If not from here, we might make a small, test down here and then a shoot up. But I do expect this to head up very, very soon. We do have NFP this Friday, so I would not even be surprised if it shot up for NFP. So again, we're pretty much done with the trade. We've already made our money. So as far as this week, we're done. Next week, we're going to be looking at the next opportunity. So that's y'all's update on the DXY. Euro USD. Now, if y'all are new to the YouTube, welcome. Make sure y'all are following us in our Telegram, which the link is down below in the description. That's where I post out most of the updates and kind of walk y'all through a lot of these trades as I take them to give you guys kind of an insight of exactly what I am doing. The trades that I share with you guys on my YouTube are my personal trades that I share with my students. So these are the personal trades that I take. I'm an 11-year experienced trader, about to be 12 years. So very, very experienced. You guys are able to pretty much get all of that education kind of in one nutshell. So I've done all of the hard work for you, made all of the mistakes for you guys. So I'm just back here sharing what I've learned with you guys, helping y'all make some money as possible, as much as possible. I'm just trying to guide y'all in the right direction, because I know there's a lot of nonsense in this industry and there's barely any profitable traders, let's just be honest. So trying to be that one person that kind of gains or just gives a little bit better of a perspective of the market, give you guys a better experience, I would say, and actually help y'all make some real money in the market. So hopefully y'all were able to, catch some of these trades this week. Euro USD, beautiful. We were looking at price action to, tap down into this range and then head towards the upside. We had an initial entry up here, and then we had another entry around here. So we grabbed 2 entries on this. We stayed patient and we just let the trade do its thing. We actually ended up closing out of the trade around here, but beautiful trade. I mean, literally beautiful trade this today. I mean, don't know what to say, y'all. I hope y'all were able to catch this. This was literally the only trade I caught this week and made a shit ton on this trade. So I am really happy, really satisfied with the overall outcome of this trade this week. And another trade that I share with y'all is USDCHF. So from Sunday, we were looking at price action to hopefully retrace into this range. I did let y'all know that it might not possibly come all the way up into this area, and then we might end up seeing just a small retracement and a continuation down. But nonetheless, we were looking for a retracement and a continuation to take this low. That was pretty much it. So we did get the retracement and we did go down to take that low. We just did not get our original entry, so I was not able to actually catch this trade myself. But I did see some of the students and some of the free Telegram members were able to catch the trade. So cheers for y'all. For those of y'all that are new to the YouTube, again, my name is DeAndre. I've been trading for about 11 years, going on 12 years now. Every 8 weeks, I also give out free mentoring packages to those who I see in the comments on the YouTube video. So drop a comment to enter the free mentoring giveaway every 8 weeks. That ability or that option is there for y'all to, try to get some education and get just real experience from a real trader for free. We also have the free Telegram chat room down below where I give you guys market insights, trade opportunities, just pretty much everything you truly need to basically become a more profitable trader. So that is down below for y'all as well, completely free. So make sure y'all are joined up. Again, all of the updates for all of these trades I post them in the free Telegram chat room as well. So all of that stuff is here. And here's the Telegram chat room. So you can see everybody making money on that EURUSD trade together. So we're all in here just kind of eating as a family. So you definitely want to be in a group like this where money is being made as a team collectively. And I'm guiding you guys through everything step by step. So you guys really don't have that in this industry. Let's just be honest. You don't have a consistent trader who's actually experienced, who makes money consistently to actually help and guide you guys truly. That's rare. So I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm giving to you guys. Soak it up, because who knows when I will get tired and ready to retire. So that was USDCHF for this week. Next week, we are going to be looking at sell opportunities on EURUSD. Hoping that this was not the entry trigger for the sell, because NFP could tank this. If it was, then we might miss the initial, but we will catch the continuation for sure. But we are getting ready to shift into looking for selling opportunities, long-term sell opportunities on EURUSD. I do expect it to fall in this range. I'm not really seeing it going up to take this high and then dropping, but it could. We're going to wait for the next 24 hours basically to see what happens in the market, and then we'll start to get ready to, attack the markets, I would say, for next week on Sunday. So I'm going to let the markets over the next 24, 48 hours, until NFP is done. We'll see how the market reacts to that. And then we'll pretty much get ready to take, our opportunities for next week. So other than that, that's really all I got for y'all for today. Just stay tuned. On Saturday, I will be dropping y'all's week breakdown as far as for the upcoming week for next week. And that's when I'll be showing you guys the new opportunities that I'll be looking at trading for next week. So other than that, that's really all I got for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this week, the updates, and I guess I will see you guys on the weekend to make some more money for next week, man. So y'all have a safe week. Make sure y'all make some withdrawals from the trades and the profit. Make sure y'all are paying yourself, man. Don't be just leaving the money in the accounts and never paying yourself. So I'm helping y'all make the money. Please pay yourselves. All right. Have a great week, and I will catch y'all later.